Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Toyota Corolla key battery. First, gather your materials. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, which is perfect for gently prying open the key fob. Most importantly, have a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery ready. This common battery powers many key fobs. Also, find a clean, well-lit area to work, ensuring no tiny components get lost during the process. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch or seam, usually on the side or bottom edge of the fob. This is where you'll insert your small flathead screwdriver. With a steady hand, gently insert the tip of the screwdriver into this opening. Then, carefully twist the screwdriver a quarter turn. You should hear a slight click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate, revealing the interior. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note or even a photo of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This ensures you install the new one correctly. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out of its compartment. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. Almost done. Now it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, immediately test your key fob's functions. Try locking and unlocking your car doors from a short distance to confirm the new battery is working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your key battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.